beginning tennis video, and I'm Hannah King and I'm with Portland Tennis Center. This is going to teach you how to do your swing path for tennis. You're going to take 2 rackets and put a balloon or a large ball. Balloon's safe for doing inside, but you could use a large ball or a tennis ball also as well. And you're going to turn 45 degrees to the side, not all the way to the side, but 45 degrees to the side. You're going to bring your rackets and the balloon over to the side, down low, and you're going to swing out across your body and up. So just holding that balloon and rotating. Just keeping those arms out away from you, rotating at the hips, and then swinging. Again, bending the knees now, rotating the hips, swinging out to the side, kind of at a 45-degree angle. And then next, you can practice doing the swing and the contact point by letting go. And then you can grab another balloon with both your rackets and rotate hips and swing and let go. And I've got one more little balloon here. And I'm going to take my racket back, stand at a 45-degree angle, rotate my hips, and swing and let go. We're going to grab the balloon with both rackets, turn to the side, standing at a 45-degree angle. We're going to bend our knees and take our racket down low and out away from us. We're going to reach out around us and bring those rackets over our shoulder. And again, reach out away from us, rotating our hips and our shoulders. And now we're going to bend the knees, rotate the hips, and then swing. Again, we're going to bend our knees, rotate the hips, and swing. Now we're going to let go of the balloon, practicing our contact point. Let go and swing. We can grab another balloon with our rackets. We're going to bend our knees, standing at a 45-degree angle, rotate our hips, let go and swing. I've got one more balloon here. We're going to stand at a 45-degree angle, bend our knees, rotate our hips, swing and let go. Good.